Let's learn the bird names with the help of flashcards. Chick, C for chick. Ibis, I for ibis. Eagle, A for eagle. Owl, O for owl. Crow, C for crow. Canary, C for canary. Duckling, D for duckling. Hen, H for hen. Flamingo, F for flamingo. Doves, D for doves. Ostrich, O for ostrich. Turkey, T for turkey. Duck, D for duck. Quetzal, Q for quetzal. Parrot, P for parrot. Vulture, V for vulture. Goose, G for goose. Pigeon, P for pigeon. Falcon, F for falcon. Xenops, X for xenops. Ibis, I for ibis. Eagle, A for eagle. Doves, D for doves. Vulture, V for vulture. Xenops, X for xenops. Vulture, V for vulture. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.